Alright, we're going to cover how to play Ragnar the Red's melody. Now, we've already covered the chords in another video. I'm playing on the same instrument I was playing in that video, the Jack of Diamonds, and this is one of my Jack models. I'm in the key of G, but your instrument might be in the key of D. Plays the same way. I've got one string for the high string, but it's the same thing as the double string and the two single strings, all the same. Anyway, we're going to play the melody. We're going to do it without the key change like we talked about at the beginning of the harmony video, the chord video, where everything's going to be in the same key. That's going to make our lives so much easier. But maybe I'll show you how to play it with the key change. We could do that. It's a little tricky. I wouldn't suggest it. It's a lot of string bending. Maybe. Okay, let's get into it. Okay, so there's Ragnar the Red. Now that's all in one key, and that's probably the way I would play it. That is the simplified version where I'm just playing the notes, and every now and again I'm giving a full strum, usually on the first note of the measure, sometimes at that last note of the phrase to give it a little bit more dynamics. But let's do this song again in one key. This time, though, we're going to make it a little more complex, and we're going to add some chords in there too to change up the harmony a bit. Now you saw I did do some bends here and there. That's because it has some accidentals. It has some notes outside of the scale, which is just fine. Just means that we're working a little bit to get those notes that we don't have occurring on our diatonic, our major scale fretboard. So we're gonna play the song again. This time we're gonna play it with some chords around the melody to add some harmony, make it a little prettier. So here we go. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to do the key change. I would not usually do this because it is very tricky because we're using notes that we don't have along our diatonic fretboard. I would keep it on one key just like we did, but if you're crazy and you want to go a little further, I usually would not. This is how you're going to do it. So this is just going to be the two lines that drop down to C. And if you want to do this and add it in and practice it, you can. It's not going to be bad practice for doing bends, but it is going to wear your fingers out. So here we go. Okay, there's the key change section. You can add that in if you want. You can try to play notes around it if you want to, and you can figure out the harmony. You've got everything in your power to do it now. Good luck. If you have any questions, drop them below in the comments. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe because that only helps me out, and I'm just trying to help you out. So, thank you, and I'll see you next time.